Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Nuts by Aloud, Peacock, and Yasmeen Ismail. Please enjoy. Nuts. Nuts. My nuts. Nuts. My nuts. Your nuts. My nuts. My nuts. My nuts. His nuts. Her nuts. Your nuts and your nuts. No! No! My nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts. My nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts, my nuts. Your nuts. Your nuts. They're nuts. Apples. Apples. Well, they had to fight over nuts, huh? Get other people in there to be like a judge. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, and take care, everybody.